Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Corona on the bench here, and it is ready, except for I was typing out the invoice here, and I got to the bottom here, and I noticed that 5 was over a little ways compared to everything else, and I did have to do some serious type alignment on this machine, pretty much because that type guide was loose. Somebody loosened these screws and all the type is out of whack. But let's see if we can just fix this last letter that's a little bit wonky, or number actually. So yeah, so it does kind of crowd the numbers. Should be even like that, and it's over like that. So I'm just going to try something quick here. Hopefully she works the first time out, or close to the first time out of the gate here. So not even going to take the cover off. So I'm going to find that 5 right there. First thing I'm going to do is visually look and see, and you know, it looks like it's straight. Well, let's try the percentage compared to everything else. Percentage. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's over a little bit too. Okay, let's go back to the 5 here. It sure does look like it's all squared up here. That type of, but I'm going to give it a tweak with these pliers. I'm going to twist this head this way, just a little bit, and let's see what happens. Well, that's definitely better. So this is what it was like before. 5, 6. Let's go 4, 5, 6 right there. So now the 5's not touching. Let's do the 5, 6, 7. So that's definitely a little better. I think we're going to leave that. Let's try a letter. So 3. It probably could go a little more, but I think I'm going to leave that. That's good enough. So all I did on that one was twist that head. So the type slug was just twisted just a little bit, but not too much to cause any kind of binding up here or any kind of over adjustment. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.